Hey everybody, Ali Duzette here, and it is day 11 of our Mercury retrograde, and today is the new moon. It already happened. Okay, it happened at what, 1:47 a.m. last night, right here. Boom, and look at that. Mercury, the sun, and the moon at 28 degrees of Scorpio. Wow, amazing. Okay. Historically, farmers did their planting on the new moon because apparently seeds do the best when they are planted on the new moon. And I understand it has something to do with the gravitational pull of water inside the seeds. I have like no real idea, but this is historically the case that the new moon was considered the best time to plant new seeds. And so over all these years that I have been like running this YouTube channel and I run my email list and send out, information about different stuff that's going on in the world. Um, I've always supported us planting new seeds in our hearts on the new moon. So if you're new here, please check out the two most recent videos on my feed because I've been talking about this new moon for a few days. This new moon is all about facing the darkness within and having the hidden things of our souls come to light. And this is going to be a powerful time to be pruning the parts of our souls that need to be composted to create the fertile ground that we need for our next bout of growth. What do you want to grow in your life? This is a great day to set some intentions, which means to write down what you intend to create and bring forth in your future. And I love that verb intend because it just has a different kind of vibe to it than like planning or choosing, but it encompasses all of those things. And it definitely is more concrete than hope. Like we all hope that we're going to have good stuff happen in the future, but when you intend to have good stuff in the future, can you feel the difference in just saying that? Like, I intend that I'm going to have a really good future. Like that that adds this level of agency to the decision. Like we've made a decision. It's not just, oh, I hope things work out for me. It's like I am intending that things are going to work out for me. They are going to work out for me, and I'm going to make it work out for me. To write an intention, you write something that you desire as if you already had it. So, as an example, you could say, I'm experiencing strong, peaceful feelings of financial security when I look at my bank account. Or I'm experiencing a perfectly harmonious relationship with my child. Or whatever. Like, write down the things that you want in your life and then frame it as intentions. And you write it in the present tense as if it were already happening. This is a great exercise. You can set intentions any day of your life. It doesn't matter. Do it whenever you want. You're never gonna, be worse off for setting an intention about how you want things to go. But today and any new moon is an extra powerful day to do this. So I want you to write down your intentions. I'm challenging you to write 10 intentions. You can share one of them in the comments if you want to, or come and talk about your intentions in my Facebook group, Intuitive Healing with Ali Duzette. So Mercury is exact the sun and the moon today. And so this is going to be an extra powerful reset, especially since Mercury is in retrograde, which is the vibe that we're all working with through this YouTube series right now. So this is a day that I am extra going to warn you to not contact your exes. Mercury retrograde is famous for people feeling like they need to contact their ex or getting contacted by their ex. And this is just me telling you, don't do it. Just say no. You have your choices. Agency is everything. If your ex texts you, just don't respond. Like you don't have to. You don't have to reopen that. If you are feeling like, oh, maybe I should check in on them, maybe you shouldn't. And maybe you do not need to do that. Just say no. You don't need to do that. All of us have things deep in our souls that we don't want to deal with, and this new moon is going to give us opportunities to deal with them. And remember that moon energies persist for 3 days in either direction, and so this is the apex point of it today, but we're going to see the echoes of it for the next 3 days, and we're building up to this new moon for 3 days before now. You're going to have a bunch of opportunities over the coming week or so to deal with things that you don't want to deal with. And when things come up that you don't want to face, I just encourage you to take your deep breaths and face them. Just take your deep breath, face them with courage and hope. Earlier in this series, we talked about the medicine woman and how she just like shows up to deal with the dark stuff. In a medicine woman setting, somebody's having a huge medical problem. It's ugly, it's disgusting. There might be, body fluids involved, and she shows up and she just handles it. And as we're dealing with this, we have the Black Moon in Scorpio right now. Oh, there it is. just 2 degrees away. This this is the medicine woman here. Our own inner medicine woman that we all have is there to help us show up with courage and with power to just say like, yeah, this is ugly and I'm here for it. Like, yeah, there might be an amputation necessary and I'm ready for that. Like, I came prepared for that and that's what I'm here for. That's my job and I do it. So we can face our own darkness with courage. Sessions that came to my mind for today were the forgiveness session, which is going to help us obviously like forgive ourselves, forgive other people for the role that they've played in creating the darkness in our own hearts. The guilt session to help us let go of whatever kind of guilt we might be feeling as a result of the dark stuff coming up with this transit. And then goodbye, judgy pants. I love that session. This one helps us stop judging others and helps us process when others have judged us. If the darkness in our souls has a lot to do with our own judgments or perceived judgments from others, this is going to be a really good one for today. So thanks for hanging out. Come hang out on Facebook at Intuitive Healing with Ali Duzette, and I will see you tomorrow. We are getting through it and we're rocking it, guys.